I'm talking to Kangana and Madhavan, and we were discussing what Maddie actually does in the van. What is it you do? Because all he has to do is wear a kurta and pant. That's what she's saying.
Yeah, and he never used to wear much makeup also. You know, he doesn't have to paint his six packs or something. So I don't know what he is.
Is that how they make six packs?
Paint.
They actually paint six packs?
You can.
Wow, I was painting my character on.
I'm not saying you were very late.
Huh.
You were not very late for sure, but you used to be just locked inside your van. And when I can get ready in 30 minutes, what used to take so long?
I think maybe I was asleep, yeah. Generally, I love to sleep. So I was in the pretext of
I
preparing
hope he
for my role.
changes that about him.
Alone, sleep
Yeah.
alone.
Oh, sleep alone. You have to clarify that.
Yeah.
He's a much married man, right?
Yeah,
So
but
I hope he changes that about him.
Yeah.
Like we were talking about now, your chemistry, as I can see, is very friendly. It's very affable. You're being very easy with each other. Oh, that's my money shot. Thank you very much. But what are all these stories about you not getting on? Is this all created for publicity hype?
if it is, it's very unfortunate. I just think that, when Kangana and I both read the story, and it was not flattering for either of us. But me being unhappy about the fact that she's being promoted or I'm not being.
And that the film used to be called Manu Weds Tanu, and it's changed to Tanu Weds Manu.
You know, I'm the first one to be signed for this film, and my contract says Tanu Weds Manu, which happens to be the film's name. Even now, there were speculations earlier on for the benefit of whatever reason, but it was never changed at the behest of any of us. Secondly, I think it's very unfortunate that people have to put things on Kangana in the terms of the fact that she's promoting herself or because I think she's so professional. The film has got hyped to an extent that it actually frightens us today. I do not think we need anything else to, as in the form of.
And you know, I think it's very important to promote films these days, and it's very important that people are aware of your product, and that our country is huge, and we need very aggressive promotion to get it done. But at the same time, there is no new ideas about promoting. I'm sure there's so many real stories which happen on the sets, and so many real beautiful incidents which they. But this is so predictable. Somebody's link up, or somebody's fight, or
Somebody's kiss.
somebody's.
Okay, so let's leave this
cliche,
at it. We're not talking about it anymore.
Great.
Now, since you are acting in a wedding film and since you are actually married, why do you think in today's day and age so many marriages are ending?
I think my opinion is that the level of tolerance has gone beyond abysmal levels. Secondly, the will to keep together and make the sacrifices required to keep a wedding or a marriage has reduced considerably. And thirdly, in my opinion, there's nothing wrong with wanting a change. I think to each his own. If I want to stick with my marriage, then I know what is best for me, and I feel what I do is necessary for me. If somebody is not happy with it, then they have complete freedom to do what they want with it, and the law allows you to do it. So there's nothing wrong with it at all.
Do you believe in the institution of marriage?
Well, never thought about it, but it's good. It's good. Marriage is good if that's what you really want. I mean, it depends at what time of your life. What is it that you're looking for? If it's career, sometimes it's marriage, sometimes and depends how you feel about it. It's about the person you meet, and for me right now, it doesn't sound very exciting though.
Do you think eventually we see Kangana, married Kangana, or not?
I don't know.
Mrs.
But
Kangana.
I think my husband will be called
Yeah,
Mrs.
Mrs.
Kangana. So I think in today's world we are much liberal, and I know so many of my bua didi, who just didn't bother to get married on, and they're doing their own thing. Somebody's a principal in a school, and they are not married out of choice, So I hope that if somebody doesn't want to, they don't have to,